Hey guys, Daniel here. This video is mainly for Geoffrey over in the United States, I guess. But a lot of people are interested in this old 24RB. I'll do some more videos of the machine and whatnot when it's actually at my house, but it's still the scrapyard at the moment. But did get it running today, which was quite exciting. So we'll show you it running. I guess I think you can see the Cato there, HD 350 I think it is. It's about a 10-ton machine, so I guess that's a slight comparison here for the old 24RB. But climb up in and show you. Still running it off 150 psi, but use the butane torch here and heated the manifold up for the first start. Also set the valve clearances. They were about 35 thou instead of 15 thou, so that seemed to make a difference. Alright, so first you want to prime it if it's been sitting for a while. So this is just a priming pump, sucks out of the sump, pressurizes the galleries. You'd come over here quicker and you'd register a reading on there. Prime up your fuel system. It's already been done. Absolutely sucks through the fuel. So next step is to get in the firing position. So hopefully you can see there, but when I turn the engine over to, I think it'll fire on any cylinder, but number 1 or 4 is what I've been doing. So you want to go just past TDC on the compression stroke. Easily marked there. So either 1 or 4, doesn't seem to matter too much. Turn our air on. We're a little bit lower than 150. And whether you can see or not, but there's a I'll bring it back. Snap open this valve, which feeds air to the air divider there. And you can see the big air injectors in the cylinder heads. That'll force down on the top of the pistons and turn the engine over. First, you want to set the fuel pump to the excessive fuel position. So that's the rack in the maximum position. Now we can turn the air on and start it.